A few weeks ago, I spent the last $40 I had to promote a video that could have helped so many travelers. I believed if even one person booked a hotel or car or flight, this channel could survive. But Google Ads took my money. No bookings, no refund, no warning, just silence. I didn't do anything wrong, I just trusted a system that failed me. If you've ever been scammed or felt completely invisible online, you already know how painful that is. That's why I'm sharing this, not to complain, but to help others avoid the same mistake. I'm not asking for donations, just one thing. Click any booking link below. Even one hotel, flight, or car rental booking can help this small channel survive. The links are from my first travel video. The first video title is Hallstatt, Cappadocia, and more. Booking links, trending travel destinations 2025. All links are stress-free, verified, and don't cost you anything extra. One small hotel booking, a flight, an airport transfer, or a car rental from you could change everything for this channel. One click today can be the reason this channel continues tomorrow. Thank you. I hope you'll stay. If this video spoke to you, subscribe to this channel and support this journey. And please comment what type of travel video you want next. Your comment is very important. This channel will make that video for you.